السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. مرحبا، أهلا وسهلا. كيفكم؟ I'm Amin and welcome to learn Arabic with Amin. Welcome to Gulf or Khaleeji dialect playlist. Today I will give you some sentences in Gulf or Khaleeji dialect and I will explain them to you one by one. Before we start, smash the subscribe button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also you can donate and support me. Click the donation button below in the description. And remember to check all the playlists because I have all the dialects for Arabic language. And I want this video to reach 100 likes. Subscribe and let's get the 100 likes. So now let's start. Our first sentence of today is Ebed من هنا. Ebed من هنا. Ebed. Ebed, it means get out or stay far. Get out or stay far. When I'm talking to a male. Ebed, get out or stay far. Ebedi, for female. Ebedu, for a group. Ebed, get out or stay far. Ebed من هنا. من, it means from. من, from. Ebed من هنا. Ebed, get out or stay far. من, from. هنا, it means here. هنا, here. هنا, here. Ebed, get out. من, from. هنا, here. What is the meaning of the full sentence? Ebed من هنا. It means get out of here. Ebed من هنا. Get out of here. Let's go to the next sentence. Next sentence is ارفع قناعك. ارفع قناعك. ارفع, it means move up or lift or remove. It depends. But in this sentence, ارفع means remove. ارفع, remove. It's an order or command tense when I'm talking to a male. To a female, ارفعي. To a group, ارفعوا. Remove. قناعك. قناع, it means mask. قناع, mask. قناع, mask. قناع. قناعك, your mask when you are talking to a male. قناعك, your mask when you are talking to a male. If you are talking to a female, it will be قناعك. If you are talking to a group, it will be قناعكم or قناعكم. قناعك, your mask when I am talking to a male. ارفع قناعك. ارفع, remove as we said. قناعك, your mask. What is the meaning of the full sentence here? ارفع قناعك. It means remove your mask. Remove your mask. ارفع قناعك. Remove your mask. Let's go to the next sentence. Next sentence is يلا نسوي زيهم. يلا نسوي زيهم. يلا, it means let's. Let's. يلا, let's. نسوي. نسوي, it means we do. نسوي, we do. Simple present tense. نسوي. أسوي, I do. يسوي, he does. تسوي, she does. نسوي, we do. يلا نسوي زيهم. يلا, it means let's. نسوي, we do. زيهم. زيهم. زي, it means same, exactly like. زي, it means same like, same exactly like. زيهم, the hum here, it means them. Them. So now زيهم, it means same exactly like them. Same exactly like them. زيهم. Same exactly like them. يلا نسوي زيهم. يلا, let's. نسوي, we do. زيهم, same exactly like them. Now what is the meaning of the full sentence? يلا نسوي زيهم. Let's do same exactly like them. Let's do like them. Let's do like them. يلا نسوي زيهم. Let's go to the next sentence. Next sentence is يلا نسرق البنك. يلا نسرق البنك. يلا, it means let's, as we said before. نسرق. نسرق, it means we rob. We rob. نسرق. We rob. He robs. يسرق. she ropes تسرق. We rope نسرق. But in this sentence it's we rope. It means نسرق. We rope نسرق. البنك. Al is the bank. Bank. البنك the bank. البنك the bank. يلا نسرق البنك. يلا let's نسرق. We rope البنك the bank. Now what is the meaning of the full sentence here? يلا نسرق البنك. It means let's rob the bank. يلا نسرق البنك. Let's rob the bank. Let's go to the next sentence. Next sentence is أنا ما أمزح. أنا ما أمزح. أنا ما أمزح. أنا I. ما not. It makes anything after it negative. ما is not. أنا ما أمزح. أنا I. ما not. أمزح. أمزح. It means I joke. I joke. أنا أمزح. I joke. أمزح. I joke. يمزح. He jokes. تمزح. She jokes. نمزح. We joke. أمزح. I joke. أنا ما أمزح. أنا I. ما not. أمزح. joke. What is the meaning of the full sentence here? أنا ما أمزح. It means I don't joke. أنا ما أمزح. I don't joke. Let's go to the next sentence. أنا أتكلم جد. أنا أتكلم جد. أنا أتكلم جد. أنا I أتكلم I speak or I talk. أتكلم I speak or I talk. جد it means seriously or serious. جد serious or seriously. أنا أتكلم جد. What is the meaning of this sentence? I am talking seriously. أنا أتكلم جد. I am talking seriously. Okay, these are our sentences for today for Gulf or Khaleeji dialect. Don't forget to check all the playlists and all the dialects because I have all the dialects in my channel. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, and I want this video to reach 100 likes. You can support me and donate to this channel. Click the donation link below in the description. And remember, I upload videos daily. So I will see you tomorrow with a new dialect and new sentences and a new class. So see you tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum. مع السلامة. Salam. Peace.